Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money and exchange currency on Remitbee step by step. Let's get started. First, log in to your Remitbee account on your PC by going to remitbee.com and clicking Log In. Scroll down on your dashboard until you find the Money Transfer section. Enter the amount you want to send and select the currency you want to receive. If you want to exchange currency instead, click on Exchange Currency. Then enter the amount and choose the currency you want to exchange from and to. Review all details carefully, then click Continue or Confirm to complete your transaction. That's it. You've successfully transferred money and exchanged currency on Remitbee. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.